Breaking Bread Over Books, a delightful gathering for women, presented by the Queen Bee Evangelist Angie B., author of several books, entrepreneur, wife, and mother. Introduce your book and meet others in the area. Learn about the Bold, Beautiful, and Bald Beauty Bazaar for alopecia awareness. Search for the event on Facebook. Come meet authors. Enjoy light shopping. Check out our newest registered vendor. Admission is free, but a purchase from the menu is required. Seating at the restaurant is limited, so for reservations, please call 407-914-6519. That's 407-914-6519. Breaking Bread Over Books, a delightful gathering for women.